Most people think Java user interfaces look outdated. But that's not true anymore. This is a modern Glassmorph card, built entirely with JavaFX. Notice the frosted glass effect, a semi-transparent panel with soft blur and light reflections that gives it that premium, layered look. Behind it, we add subtle neon glow using gradients and blur, creating depth and atmosphere. And here's where it gets really interesting. When you hover over the card, it smoothly lifts, tilts in 3D space, and reacts to your movement. This small interaction makes the UI feel alive, not static. Even the buttons are styled with soft shadows, rounded edges, and smooth hover scaling to match the modern design language. There's also a light sweep animation that moves across the surface, simulating real glass reflections. All of this is done using JavaFX, with simple shapes, gradients, and animations. No external libraries. No tricks. Just pure Java. Creating a clean, modern UI. So yeah, Java can look like this.